Oh yeah, you can smile over here. Move out of my way, I gotta get that smile over there. Flip, man. I'm looking for Smiler. Again, you. Smiler's here! Smiler's here! Let's go, Smiler! Man, you better not kill me this time. He better not kill me. I'll murder him myself. I know the name of this song, guys.
How do you know it's saying the B word? He said
It's called Blackberry.
What did he say?
Guys, it's a B word. For protection. For protection. Move. Oh my god. Oh my.
He's running. He's running away. It's gone.
Don't let him run.
It's gone.
Move out of my way. No, he's coming.
Wait, just make sure you guarantee coming. Maybe he's not coming, but I think
Yeah, maybe he's not. God, they're all gone. Hey!
Wait, I think he's stuck in the same place. Is he there? So
I knew it!
just
I
seen
knew
that.
it!
I've seen
Bro, I'm taking the 7 and 10. Smiler in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, bro. I'm taking a risk. I'm taking a 3 out of 10 going. Oh my god! Oh my oh my god! No way! I'm not going! I'm not going! This ain't worth it!
You blue, make him move. Oh, he's moving.
Goodbye guys!
He's
I'll
gone.
join back! Go back, go back.
I know where to go. He's coming. He's coming.
Wait! Take me with you! Take me with you!
Bro, green.
Let me grab some. Thank you. He's probably over there. Move! Move!
Okay, why is my game glitching?
Go back to it.
Today, we will be playing Fun Monkey Horror without mods. Because I know mods is shit. Oh my god,
that jump scared me
That's what I was
so
talking about.
hard.
Man, hold on, wait, hold on. Her sister was awake.
I found you.
Right? And what's her sister? A princess. The Wicked Witch of the East, bro.
No.
Am I wrong?
Baby, you guess I'm
She
taking
wear a
your
crown and
dog.
she came down out of bubble,
Taking it.
dog.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Wicked East, bro. Nah. SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants. You got a millionaire. That was disease.
Bob SquarePants. SpongeBobby boy. Superman.
SpongeBob, me boy. You are 2 seconds late for work, boy. Get in the kitchen and make me some money, eh? You. Bro, can you guys do my flips? Can you guys do flips?
I saw a person.
What you love.
Now, hold on. Wait, hold on. Her sister was a witch, right? And what was her sister? A princess, the Wicked Witch of the East, bro. You're gonna look at me and tell me that I'm wrong? Am I wrong? She wear a crown and she came down at a bubble, dog. How do you stop flipping? Press B and A. Press B and A together. No, God. Hey, God. Press B and A. Press B and A. We're gonna make this stuff one and one fun.
Oh yeah, that guy keeps me coach stability.
Oh, this guy's using my menu. Let's go.
Yeah.
Bro, wait.
The college science, they tell me.
Yo, wait. Never mind, wrong one. There's a monkey just like you.
Oh yeah, because you can't. We want to know. Here, full zombie.
Oh, there's a red baby. Get back here, red baby.
It's still from me.
Hard bitch.
Stop, why? Guys, I'm gonna go over here. Don't worry.
I'm so sorry. Mistake. It was a misclick.
I saw a
It
spider.
was a misclick. It was a misclick.
50 Bobby Boo.
What
Am I here?
Does anyone see Taco Muncher?
Help me! Help! Help!
Boys, that boys. Bro, somebody at least should bring the little thing for if the monster. Oh no. I saw that. But I said, hey on. Let me see. You fly.